Hello students, I am your new biology teacher and today I am going to teach you chapter of biology of class 9th, which is the fundamental unit of life. So before understanding this chapter we will discuss some important terms about this chapter which can help in understanding it. So first we all know that we are studying biology. So what does it stands for? From where this word come and what does it mean? So first we will discuss about the term biology. So biology is derived from the two Greek words bios and logos. First word is bios and second word is logos. So bios is a Greek word generally which means life, and logos is again a Greek word which means study. So by its name biology we can easily understand that what does it mean for, and under biology what the things or the topics to be covered, and the biology is the study of life. What is the biology? The biology is the study of life, and the term biology is given by two scientists. One is Lamarck and second one is Treviranus. Who gave the term biology? Lamarck and Treviranus. Both the scientists together gave the name of biology. Who is the father of biology? Again a question. Who is the father of biology? Father of biology is Aristotle. Who is the father of biology? Aristotle. Father of biology. So biology is the study of life. Next, the biology is further divided into two parts majorly. Otherwise it is much more branched science. There are many branches of biology: microbiology, gynecology, histology, anatomy, physiology, and genetics. But the two major branches we can say are zoology and botany. So the word zoology is again derived from the Greek words which is June and logos. The zoology is derived from two Greek words, June and logos. June means animals and logos means study. And the father of zoology is again Aristotle. Who is the father of zoology? Aristotle. And the botany is derived from Greek word botany. From where derived? Greek word botany, which means plant. What does it mean? Plant. So the zoology is the study of animals and the botany is the study of plant life. So the father of botany is? Who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. Who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. So, Aristotle is the father of biology as well as zoology, and the Theophrastus is the father of botany. So, this is our basic for today's class, and in next class we will discuss about what is life and how we differentiate living from non-living, and what is the fundamental unit of life means, what is the structural and functional unit of life, how does the life made, what are the different units by which the life is made. So for today's class this is enough now. So in tomorrow's class we will discuss further in much more detail. So thank you.